Benin sisters, my Edo brothers, my Edo sisters, and Nigerians across the world. I am making this short broadcast this morning purposely because of a video we saw online yesterday where one thing they call Bobrisky was referring to our Reverend Monarch, the Oba of Benin. We do not condone such statements or comments from anybody, most especially someone that is of low class, that has no class. If they respect that person in Lagos, we don't in Benin. We are accommodating people who welcome visitors, but not to the detriment of our people. You cannot come and insult or throw words to our Oba of Benin. I am using this medium to advise Eyoze Ogbebo, because we have been informed that she was invited by Eyoze Ogbebo for a burial ceremony, and it is taking place at the military base hospital, Airport Road. We are I particularly advising Eyoze Ogbebo to take that thing back to Lagos. That thing she brought to Benin should be taken back to Lagos. We don't want to see her in that event today in Benin. We do not want to see her in that event today in Benin. If you dare us, thinking that you are holding the event at the military base hospital, Airport Road, we will surprise you. We will surprise you. I repeat, we will surprise you. Eyoze Ogbebo, if you want to dare us, want to try us and see